Hi, in this video I'm going to explain the things which I have done for the Python deep learning lesson 3, that's word embedding. So in this we have learned different types of ANN and recurrent network neural network. So the coming to the programming, the first question is we have been given with an initial code which has got some bugs, so we need to clear those bugs. So this is the first code which we have given. So we have to read a dataset called IMDb master dataset, and we need to find the type of datasets. Like we will be having labels. In that label we have three categories like NEG, POS and UNSUP. We need to train the datasets and we need to test those things. First of all, I have read the IMDb master dataset, and then I have given this print np.unique.y, which will be displaying the unique values in this label field. So after that I have done the tokenization of the data using the number of words in the input as 2000. And next, after that, I have done the label encoding, that is the converting the new text data into numeric data. And after that I have taken the 0.25 as test and 0.75 as the training data set size. So in the first part I haven't been given with the value of input dimension, so I have added externally the input dimensions as 2000. And coming to the next, and well, for the output layer we have been given with the 5 labels, but we can find like there were only three output target labels, that is NEG, POS and US, so I have kept it as 3. And in the activation technique I have been given with sigmoid, but the sigmoid can be used for till at most 2 labels, but here we have 3 variables, so I have used softmax and have commented this one, and I have found the print, and I have ran this code. And if you can see, you can see that the first print statement, that is unique y, we have got only 3 fields, NEG, POS and UNSUP, and for finding, and after that I have found the loss and accuracy. For the loss it was like 1.06, it was very high, and even the accuracy is very low, like 0.5. So for the next question I have added the embedded technique. So if you can see, this is the part I have added for the embedding and flat embedding. And for this I need to take the exact input dimension length, so it was 2470. I ran the code, then I got the input dimension, so I have replaced 2000 with 2470 here and here. And then after embedding I have used input dimension as 2470, and input length will be max review length. This has been I have got this length from here, and I have ran the loss and accuracy for this. So it got out to be loss is 0.8. the loss has been decreased from 1 to 0.8, and accuracy has been increased. Like for the first part the accuracy is 0.50, and after embedding the accuracy has came out to be 0.51. it has got increased. And coming to the third part of the question, apply the code on 20 newspaper data which we have worked in the last class. So for the third part I have applied the same technique for the third part, and I have taken the input dimension as 2000. You can take 2470 also, it's fine. Like I have used the activation technique as softmax because we have 20 output labels. So for this the output comes out to be the loss of this dataset is 0.5, and the accuracy is 0.835. And for the bonus part I have been asked to plot the graphs using the history method. So I have used for accuracy I have used one graph, and for the loss values I have used one graph. So here are the graphs for that. This is for the model loss, I mean the training for the training data set and for the testing data set, and this is for the model accuracy for the training and the testing data sets. And that